Ayan na.
Hello guys. Ngayon.
Happy birthday, may pangga. I love you very much. Maraming salamat sa Diyos. Ayan o. Ang cake ni aking mahal sa buhay na pinili ko para sa kanyang happiest birthday tomorrow. This is an advance celebration because you have a work tomorrow. O dyan o. Na magkanta man tayo bago i-slice. Sige na. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday my pangga. Happy birthday beauty. Happy birthday. Maraming salamat sa Diyos, sa aking mahal na asawa. Birthday nyo today. Sana more blessings, health, good health, and samahan tayo ng Panginoon sa araw-araw natin pamumuhay. Blow the candle.
Yay!
Slice na slice.
Wow, look at my cake, guys. It's so yummy. Galing kay Daddy. Galing natin yung candle. There, Daddy, oh. Yun. Yan. Let's open the... Wow, Daddy, from Purple Oven. Bakit naman Purple Oven? Oh, delicious. It's real chocolatey. It's real chocolatey, guys. Real chocolatey. My cake. Ay, sinira ni Daddy ang cartoon. Di ka ba? A brain. Okay, I'm going to slice the cake now. Like this. See? It's so yummy. Let's taste it. Before we taste this, guys, we have to eat our, open that Daddy, our spaghetti. This is a simple birthday celebration. Salamat sa Diyos, sa buhay at sa lakas. Maraming salamat sa Diyos at kay Daddy Toots.